What nonsense is that asking? You think this is some stupid Cato Republic? We are the idiots that cover anything they like. He can't do with me. Okay, I'm here with me. Then you go at hand of one. Let me tell them that. But they know who I am. I will, in this truck, I will destroy Nigeria completely with evidence. I will kill this country here. Go around, walk here. I have the ticket, they don't know.
Come and push us. Come and push us outside.
They are killing IPOBs. They are killing my people. After killing my people, you tell me what to tell me secret? The person is mad. Completely mad. Tell Buhari, that's what I said. That he is mad. He cannot tell me. He cannot tell me. He's a madman. There's a contempt of court proceedings here. Contempt of court. They don't obey court order. They don't obey court order. You're telling me secret prayer. Is the person mad? Rubbish. Rubbish. Man. They can't tell me.
No way.
When the time comes,
It's okay.
what stupid country is this? So when is this you tell somebody secret? When you like, you find secret. When you like, it's in public. What stupid country is that? What stupid country is that, I ask you? When you like, you try and you secret. When you like, you try in private. They are killing my people. They are killing my people. They are killing IPOBs. They are killing my people. After killing my people, you tell me what to tell me secret? The person is mad. Completely mad. Tell Buhari, that's what I said. That he is mad. He cannot tell me. He cannot tell me. He's a madman. There's a contempt of court proceedings here. Contempt of court. They don't obey court order. They don't obey court order. You're telling me secret prayer. Is the person mad?